Hi, welcome to DataPrep Spotlight. This spotlight is all about the connector component of DataPrep. Connector streamlines data collection from web APIs and provides the fastest way to load data from a database. Let's use Connector to access artist data from the MusicsMatch API. You can start by making a variable for your authorization information. Authorization information can be generated from the developer's site of the API. You can then create a connector object using the connect function by specifying the API name, authorization information, and the number of requests you want to issue concurrently. Using the connector object's query method, you can specify the endpoint you want to access data from, as well as any additional parameters that connector supports for the specified endpoint. This returns a data frame of artist data using Michael as the query argument. This has been DataPrep Spotlight on the connector module. Thank you very much for watching.